Okay, this video is if you have questions about tonight's homework because it might be a little confusing for some parents or even kids. What you're going to need is you're going to need either a 10-sided die, which is a dice with the numbers 1 through 10 on it, which most average people do not have at home. So I just write the numbers 1 through 10 on little slips of paper and stick them in a cup. So what you're going to do is you can have either a dice or, like I said, just the slips of paper. You're going to draw one number. So I drew the number 1. You're going to use this as both factors in a problem. So I'm going to take 1 times 1, and I know 1 times 1 is 1, so I'm going to mark the box right above 1. Then I'm going to stick my piece of paper back in the cup, mix them around again. This time I draw a 7, so I know I'm going to take 7 times 7. I know it's 49. I'm going to mark this box. If I was to put it back and draw another 7, then I would just mark the box right above it. You're going to keep doing this until one of these columns has all 4 boxes above it full, and then you can stop. The next part is the practice part. So a lot of parents are confused on what the estimate and the problem is. They need to do both. The estimate we've really been working on is just rounding. So if it's a 3-digit number, I typically tell them to round it to the nearest 100. If it's 2-digit, round it to the nearest 10. So I know that 49 is going to round to 50, and I know that 768 is going to round to 800. So my estimate's just going to be what is 800 plus 50. My estimate, I'm hoping to find an answer around 850. Then when I add them, make sure your child, or you if you're watching this, is putting them on top of each other. Don't try to add it this way or you're going to get really confused. So we're going to take 768 plus 49 and add them on top of each other. I'm going to start my ones column. 8 plus 7 is 17. Carry the 1. 6 plus 4 plus that 1 is 11. Carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. My answer is 817, and that's pretty close to my estimate, so I can imagine it's probably correct. You're going to do the same thing with this problem down below. So if you have any other questions, feel free to come in the morning and I will help you. Thank you.